Breaking news coming in right on top of news hour. Karnataka Home Minister has issued a fresh statement expressing pain but does not apologize for the statement he earlier made. Despite the outrage, the Karnataka Minister has decided to brazen it out. Tanvi Shukla joins me from our newsroom in Mumbai. Tanvi, there is a statement coming out from G. Parameshwara Rao, but he still does not apologize. He had made the statement that if women wear Western clothes and if the women go out at night, then these kind of things really happen. He hasn't apologized for that statement that has caused so much outrage.
No, Navika, he hasn't. He didn't do that earlier in the day when he was questioned about it. He didn't do that when he was questioned about the Women's Commission notice that has been sent to him, and he dismissed it completely. He's doing the same now. All he's doing in the fresh statement, Navika and Anand, is to say, I am extremely pained with the kind of coverage and the kind of criticism that I am being faced to. He's not at all understanding what the point is. I'm just going to hold out this statement. It's a very short and crisp statement here. If I can show it to you, what he really says here is to say, I am extremely pained by the fact that my statement with respect to the alleged molestation incident has been interpreted out of context and not taken in its entirety. Navika, we've been running the entire question and answer that he first said. We've counter-questioned him on it. He still refused to take it back. So I don't understand what he means by it's been interpreted out of context. I sincerely believe that the choice of every citizen of our country should be respected. Women have equal rights, respect and protection under our constitution. That's what he is quoting. The constitution. Is he sorry for what he said? Is he sorry that he insulted the women? Is he sorry that his police failed to protect so many hundreds of women that night on the streets of Bengaluru? No, he isn't. He then goes on to even justify the lackadaisical attitude of his police. And then he says the Bangalore police is working round the clock, going through the footage of all the CCTV cameras, following up on all the leads available. Well, the first complaint that was filed, Navika, suo motu, was also almost 48 hours after the incident happened. Right. So it's very difficult to understand what the State Home Minister here is saying is definitely not an apology.
No, it's the first time he's also come out, Tanvi, with a request saying if anybody has any information to come forth and report it to the police. It's the first time, as an afterthought, 3 days later, that he's decided, let's ask people to voluntarily come and disclose information, which should have been the first thing he said. When Pooja Prasanna put him the question, the first thing he should have said is, if anybody has been violated on that night, if anybody is a witness, please come forward, we will take immediate action. 20 cameras were there and they're still sifting through the footage, they say. Tanvi, thanks for your inputs.